Hello. In this tutorial, I'll be glad to show you and explain you how to add people to your images with Wizmaker. Generally, as you know, it's quite problematic before AI era. It's time-consuming problem, but for now, it's quite easy, quite comfortable. So as you see, everything is perfectly matching, like our architecture is still the same, nothing changes. We have exactly the same architecture, exactly the same edges, lines, even the stones are exactly the same. And now we have a family casually sitting on the grass, and they have perfect lighting, perfect shadows, everything's perfect without any problems. So let's do this, and in this tutorial and in next tutorials I'll explain you what options do we have. So basically we will have a simple preset options. So we will use Wizmaker's preset. We'll have option to prompt individually exactly what do we need or what do we expect from the AI. We will have more advanced option where we will mix reference images and try to change people, try to change moods, remove some people, add some extra people, and play with additional possibilities of Wizmaker and NanoBanana Pro. Then we will work at the more advanced level where we'll use exactly drawing on the image and pasting our reference images of the family to our final render. And the most advanced level will be about connecting different options where we will try to draw and use only part of our reference image. Like here we'll have only a dog, here we'll have only kids, and then we will discuss how we can match them. And the last but not least, I will be glad to present you my problems and my mistakes, so you can just simply not reply and not duplicate my mistakes. That's our plan for the block of tutorials about adding a people. This file will be attached under those tutorials, so no worries, you'll have all the prompts, all the information and all the images will be available here in this file. So yeah, let's jump into our first tutorial.